In this video, I will show you how you can buy Minecraft with an Apple gift card. So to do this, first just go and open up the App Store and you will then need to redeem the gift card. To do that, just click on your initials in the top right and from there click redeem gift card or code. Then here you can either use your camera to scan the gift card or you can enter your code manually. So whichever one you want to do, just go and redeem it. And after you do that, you can check if it's been redeemed by going to click on add money to account. And there you will also be able to find your balance. So after redeeming it, go and click on search in the bottom right. And from there, click on the search bar and type in Minecraft. And then here, go and click on Minecraft. Then here you will see the price. Now I've already bought it before, so therefore for me it says the reinstall icon. But for you, you can then click on buy. And then if you have enough money in your balance from your gift card, it will then use your balance to purchase the Minecraft app. So that's how you can buy Minecraft using a gift card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.